All right, guys, welcome back to another video with your man Jay. So I went online and bought me something for my GoPro. I bought an extended battery. After I bought it, it says Hero 5, but it's for all of them. After I bought it, I started looking at some of the reviews of people, and I was like, "Ew, this thing might be bad." But, I don't go on reviews of other people. I get it myself, and then I check it out. So this is a 2500 milliamp hour battery extender for your GoPro Hero 7 5 through black. You got a little adapter here to extend it out if you want to put it on your mount in your car. And then here is the battery. This is the battery right here, 2500 milliamps. And you've got a charger, which I don't need. The extender, I'll mess with that later. And let's get my GoPro. Now the GoPros, if you don't know it, you can take off these doors. GoPro actually sells them. And let's see here. Should slap right in there. It's on. The only problem that a lot of people say, is obviously it's blocking my view. Let me see here. Let me make sure this is on here. Yeah, looks like it's working. This video. So, powered on. It lets you know the battery right there in the back, as you can see. That's pretty cool. And I guess it's on, man. It's not telling me whether it's on or not. Oh, yeah, there we go. You got a charging symbol in the front. All right, so that takes care of that. So it goes in like so. This is how it goes. I'm not feeling it. Oh, there we go. All right, here we go. This is on there. There we go. Boom. It's definitely charging. All right. So, I can put it on my stand over there and see how much this actually gives me. You know what I'm saying? There's the battery right there. I want to plug it up real quick to a power outlet. And that battery right there should move once I power it on. There we go. It's flashing for charging. So that's good, man. This is what I needed. I wanted to get some extended time out of here. The only thing I don't like is that it does cover up the back screen, but I knew that going into it. But I got this because I didn't want to carry around separate batteries. That's what I didn't want to do. So I decided to go this route. I think it's a good look. Anyway, quick unboxing here and first impressions. It's a little bulky. I knew that going in, but I'm just looking for the power. It's your man Jay. I'm out.